Ready to meet the city bike of the future? Let's dive into the cutting-edge design and features of the all-new VanMoof S6. From a very first glance, the VanMoof S6 commands attention with its sleek, minimalist front profile. The iconic straight-line frame and integrated LED matrix display give a futuristic, almost sci-fi aesthetic. The headlight, seamlessly embedded into the front tube, offers not just illumination but a bold design statement. The matte finish and refined weld make the front end look sculpted rather than assembled. You won't see exposed cables or cluttered hardware. Everything is tightly engineered and concealed. It's clear VanMoof has gone to great lengths to ensure the S6 not only performs well, but also turns heads. Whether cruising urban streets or parked on a sidewalk, the front view alone signals innovation. Take a closer look at the seat, and you'll notice both form and function at play. The saddle on the S6 has been reimagined for everyday comfort with a sleek yet slightly padded design that balances ergonomics and minimalism. Its streamlined shape provides enough surface area for support without looking bulky. The seat post is fully integrated into the overall design and contributes to the bike's clean silhouette. It's also adjustable for a range of rider heights, making it versatile for urban commuting. The black matte finish continues here, blending flawlessly with the frame. This isn't just a place to sit, it's a subtle extension of VanMoof's design language. Every detail serves both the ride and the rider. The handlebars on the VanMoof S6 are a marvel of modern bicycle design. They're wide enough to offer confident steering control, yet compact enough for weaving through busy city streets. The grips feel soft and tactile, ideal for long commutes or quick errands. Integrated into the bars are the buttons that activate the turbo boost and bell, blending seamlessly into the structure. There's no bulky display or mess of wires, just sleek, intuitive controls. At night, the embedded lighting around the controls provides a subtle glow for visibility without distraction. These handlebars aren't just practical. They're a reminder that every inch of the S6 was engineered with both elegance and function in mind. The braking system on the S6 reflects VanMoof's ongoing commitment to urban safety and performance. Featuring fully integrated hydraulic disc brakes, the bike delivers immediate and responsive stopping power in all conditions. Whether you're flying down a steep street or navigating sudden traffic stops, the S6 handles it with grace. The brake levers themselves are ergonomically placed, blending into the clean handlebar design without protruding awkwardly. These aren't generic off-the-shelf components. They're custom designed to match the S6's streamlined build. Combined with smart motor control, the brakes also contribute to regenerative braking features, feeding power back into the system. It's not just about halting the ride. It's about managing the ride intelligently. Swing around the rear, and the VanMoof S6 shows off its tech-savvy personality. The built-in rear light is beautifully integrated into the frame, ensuring high visibility without compromising aesthetics. Most impressive is the signature anti-theft system housed in the rear section, featuring an automatic wheel lock and location tracking via Apple Find My. The hub motor sits subtly in the back wheel, nearly invisible but powerful. The rear fender flows smoothly from the frame, giving a continuous and futuristic look. Even the mounting points for accessories are clean and unobtrusive. From the back, the S6 appears just as futuristic as from the front. Functional, secure, and stunning. Viewed from the side, the S6 is where VanMoof's engineering truly shines. The geometry is balanced and purposeful, creating a silhouette that's both aerodynamic and visually striking. The top tube flows seamlessly into the down tube, housing the battery and wiring completely inside the frame. There's no external clutter, no battery packs or motor bulges to break the lines. The proportions make it clear that this bike was built not just for performance, but for everyday use in an urban setting. You also notice the low center of gravity, which adds stability while riding. With its long wheelbase and stealthy finish, the side view of the S6 makes one thing clear: this is no ordinary city bike. Last but not least, let's take a look at the wheels, where performance truly meets the pavement. The S6 rolls on custom 28-inch wheels with puncture-resistant tires that are perfect for city terrain. The rims are double-walled for extra durability and add to the sense of precision engineering throughout the bike. The spokes are evenly tensioned, contributing to a smooth, balanced ride whether you're on asphalt or cobblestone. What's also impressive is how quietly the wheels operate, especially when paired with a near-silent motor system. These wheels weren't just chosen for their function, but also for how they complete the S6's stealthy, sleek appearance. They're fast, tough, and completely in line with the futuristic ethos of VanMoof. The VanMoof S6 isn't just a bike. It's a vision of what urban mobility can be. Sleek, smart, and built to move with the city. This is cycling redefined. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury reviews.